Good morning to all. I hope that all are keeping well. Today in the science subject, we are going to study about a new topic, our Earth's natural satellite. Our Earth's natural satellite. And in the lower classes, you have studied about solar system. Our solar system comprises planets, stars, and other celestial bodies. And in the solar system, there are many planets are there. What is a planet? What is a planet? A planet is a celestial body which moves around sun on its orbit. A planet is a celestial body which moves around sun on its orbit. Then what is a satellite? A satellite is a celestial body. Satellite is a celestial body which moves around a planet. That is the difference. Okay, planets moves around sun on its orbit, and satellite moves around a planet. Okay, and in this chapter we are going to see Earth natural satellite. We all know that is moon. Earth natural satellite, that is moon. Let's have a look at this chapter. As the earth goes around the sun, the moon goes around the earth. We know that moon is a natural satellite of earth, so it moves around earth. The moon is our earth closest neighbor in this space. Our closest neighbor in the space, that is moon. The moon is the earth natural satellite. A satellite is an object which revolves around a planet. So that moon is our closest neighbor in the space, and moon is our natural satellite also. Okay, now we are going to see why does the moon shine. You know that moon shines at night and gives us a light. Why does the moon shine? The full moon is the brightest heavenly body in the night sky. Now that at night we see a moon and many stars also there. But the brightest one, that is moon. It does not have any lights of its own. Like the sun and other stars, it does not have any lights of its own. It gets light from where? From sun. How it happens, that we are going to see. It does not have any lights of its own, but shines because it reflects the light of the sun that fall on it. How does a moon shine? The moon reflects the light of sun which falls on it. When the sunlight reflect on the moon surface, that is reflected to the earth. Okay, so that we see that moon is shining in the night sky. Okay, it is smaller than the sun, though it appears to be of nearly the same size. You know that it is very close to the earth. Which one? Moon. But we feel that both the moon and the sun are almost same in size. Is it correct? No. But we feel like that. Why? Because moon is very close to the earth. That's why we feel both the moon and sun are almost same in size. But it is not same in size. But we feel like that. It is so because the moon is closer to us than the sun. The moon is very close to the earth. The moon is about 3,84,400 kilometers from the earth. That is the distance of moon from the earth, 3,84,400 kilometer. That much long distance the moon is, but we feel the sun and moon is almost same in size. Why? Because it is very close to the earth, and sun is very far from earth actually. Now we are going to see the surface of the moon. We know that the surface of the earth, there are mountain, hills, plains are there on the earth surface. Then how is the surface of the moon? The surface of the moon is rough and uneven. Almost similar type of landforms are there on the moon also. It is made of great plains and huge mountain. We know that in our earth, mountains, plateaus are there, like that on or in the moon also mountains and plains, valleys are there. There are big round hollows called craters on the moon. Holes. There are big holes. When we look moon at night, there we can see some of the dark shade on the surface of the moon. Have you ever noticed that dark shade on the moon? That is, these hollows are there. Big hollows are there on the surface of the moon. They are known as craters. Craters means kokala. The holes are there on the surface of the moon. These craters are formed when pieces of rocks called meteorites dash into the surface of the moon. How does this kokala or craters found in the moon? It is formed by the uh, pieces of rocks called meteorites dash hit on the surface of the moon. These craters hit on the surface of the moon, which make these hollows or the kokala on the surface of the moon. When pieces of rocks called meteorites means ulkapind that hit on the surface of the earth, which make hollows on the surface of the moon. The surface of the moon is covered with millions of craters. Like that, many holes are there on the surface of the moon. That means the surface of the moon is not plain everywhere. There are mountains, hollows, valleys, like that. In on earth, what are the landforms? Like that, similar type of landforms. Uneven surface is on the surface of the moon. The rocks that were brought back to the earth by the astronaut tell us that the surface of the moon is covered with dark grey dust. See, the surface of the moon is covered with dark grey dust by hitting of these craters. Everywhere dust widespread on the surface of the moon. The astronaut they brought back astronaut, you know that who are the astronaut, those who go to the space, they are known as astronaut, and they have brought some of the stones from the moon. The moon is about 4,500 million years of old, the same age as the earth. That means the age of moon and earth is almost same. What is the age of moon? 4,500 million years. That is the age of moon and earth. Almost the ages are same, equal. Okay.